Hello guys, welcome back to Anything. We're making the best How to Train Your Dragon movie and TV show. The first one is live action How to Train Your Dragon. This one is good. I saw it in theaters and it was cool. This one, the 2010 How to Train Your Dragon animation was. I never saw it in theaters. I saw it on screen when I watched on TV. I was enjoying the same thing. I watched it on TV too. And good. Guidance Race to the Edge is on this TV show is good. The Rat Heading Dragon. This one this was kinda good. Oh that's my ratings. See ya.